Okay, gonna let it focus. What's up, guys? I'm in Hayden's room because I pretty much live here. So, long story short, frick, I can't even speak. Long story what?
First off, I just want to say this is the first time I've ever looked pretty well editing. Second, I have no idea what's going on with my camera, why it's shaking like that and not focusing. But also I can't speak English, so.
Long story short, expect a story time soon because we're just gonna make this quick. But I cracked my head open over the weekend and am concussed. So I just thought that a fun concussed activity would be to vlog. So we're doing it. So right now I'm going to the dining hall because I need to get a sandwich. And then me, Hayden, and Tori are going to Sweet Frog to get frozen yogurt for a Silver Needle Runway fundraiser. See, my brain's not functioning and it's getting concerning, but I'm good with it. So it's not like my brain functioned before. But yeah, so I'll just take you guys along. So for an update, got my sandwich. Was supposed to walk to the library and meet Hayden and Tori so I could walk to Tori's car with them, but they took so freaking long to make the sandwich that, and they went without me. So here she is. Not quite enough mayo for my taste personally, but now I'm just waiting in Tori's room until they pick me up. I'm dying. I'm probably on my deathbed, so whatever, but this is Tori's room. It's so cute. So clearly, judging from that sign, Tori's an interior design major. She has been helping my mom decorate our kitchen, and she really just recommended that sign because it's just fun and playful for your family. Very family appropriate, family oriented. I just love it. So mine literally, as hard as I always try, it looks always disgustingly ugly. Hayden's looks so cute. Okay, there's a shadow, but I'm over it.
Put it back. This is my job. I'm working right now.
Your mom's working right now.
Hey, welcome to our vlog. Yeah.
Hey guys, so I was gonna vlog, but I left my camera at home because I actually wasn't gonna vlog, but
Oh my god, it's like a grass tree.
Oh, her hair's wacky.
You're wacky.
Now you're a bad photographer.
yeah.
Oh, anyways, wait. Okay,
No,
hold on.
you're shaking me.
Yeah, because she's out of all that.
Okay,
She's
so
out all that. So now
I know eat. I know sleep. But I drive.
But
She
she
drives.
drives.
But
She
she
drives.
drives.
Sorry, Mom.
You know, it's just a normal Monday afternoon. We're going to Dunkin', and yeah, we just
Guys, my hair looks different colors.
It looks orange.
It's orange. I'm sorry. It's not a good look for you.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Well, neither's your face, but you're born with it, so be lucky that.
My hair looks like
God bless
a little.
me. I don't know about you.
Acidic. Wait.
Hi, sisters.
Oh, I just
Squad.
So welcome
Sorry,
to our
James
vlog. I
look like the
I don't have my vlog camera, so we're vlogging my phone.
Stop
Bye.
yelling
Comment
over
down
me.
below if you think me and Emma look good.
I'm the adopted child. We are currently at Steel Plant waiting for Allie J.
If you guys don't know, from Emma's vlog channel, we go to Maris. So different.
Well, Ali Hosbiak is currently inside because she can't find the office.
Oh my god, she's nutting.
Why do you have to say things like that?
We're having a perfectly good vlog and then you ruin it. And this
Okay.
is why you're not a YouTuber.
Hi.
Hi, I'm just not really used to being filmed.
Sorry, I'm just not used to being on camera.
I'm just a little.
So today we went to class. Me and Naz went to the gym. Games. Summer's coming.
My hair looks so good.
Summer.
It actually looks f***ing dope right now. This isn't usually how Naz
What the
acts.
f is up? What
Naz is back out today.
I am
backed out.
Honestly, like might be close to my level. Allie Joe's react.
She's calling.
This is our friend. Listen.
Hello.
Can you send Emma up?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Alright, give me the camera because I gotta film this.
Oh my god,
she's in trouble.
She's in trouble? She's in trouble. No, she can't find the office of a professor, and I have to go save her because Ali Hoswiak doesn't know what she's doing. So here we go. Welcome to the steel plant. We're here, guys. We're out here. There she is, Ali Hoswiak. She's lost.
No,
Update, still trying to find it. So we never found his office, and it turns out that Ali didn't need to get anything signed by him. So that's really good and fun and fresh and funky. So first off, she makes us wait while she gets a signature that she doesn't need and can't find. Now we're going to Starbucks. Wait, guys, I forgot that like vlogging on here is not really gonna work. Because there's a crack in my camera and it's giving weird light patterns.
At least it blocks all acne possible.
Nah, you can still see it all.
Eva, stop taking pictures. I'm gonna kill you.
Maya, who's DMing you?
Like these really weird people. You met Cutler.
I left my camera on in the bag, so now it's dead, but we have to walk across the whole freaking campus to pick up Nazaree's car, and there's a tour group, so I don't know, we have to do something weird in front of the tour group. Nice. Nice. No. So, welcome back to Everest. I know you guys were all here yesterday.
Guys, where's my? I need a thing for my hair. Give me your key.
What? Okay. Everyone makes fun of me because I've been getting the peeps.
Literally, no one makes fun of you for getting peeps.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Last time I bought like legitimate peeps, though, people were like,
"Ew, you like peeps?"
Yes, I freaking do like peeps,
no
and
one,
I like the peeps coffee. I'm trying to speak.
But no one in our friend group literally gives a single that you get peeps coffee. Let me try it.
They do care, and I've been made fun of, and it tastes really good, and you're a poop. It's really great. So, you know what? I recommend
you can say shit
at Dunks
cut
the Peeps coffee. And thank you. Naz is in a mood. Naz, can you not? So I have to meet with a professor at 4:15 because my partner for this project, you know, like me over. So it's this big thing. But we're just driving around before she drops me off. So, you know, we're just casually booling at Culinary Institute.
Just a kiss goodnight, baby.
Their freaking crosswalk sign has a chef hat.
That is actually so cute.
That's actually the cutest thing I've ever seen. Like I've never
live here.
I know I want to go here to eat, but it's like very expensive. But I want to go, so I'm gonna make my parents take me because I'm a broke girl.
Can we play TTFSA?
What's up? We're going to Goodwill,
I got it.
and we're vlogging it because it's Allie's first time in a vlog. So we stopped to get gas just so we didn't like, you know, die on the way there. But then Allie forgot which side her gas hole is on.
Gas hole. Really confusing. You're such a gas hole.
Mass hole, gas hole.
It's your fault.
At least I'm not from New Jersey and I know how to pump my own gas. Boom, roasted.
So here we have a business casual tank top, maybe a little blazer, a bra to cover the nips.
Love it.
So I'm getting for Jantube Beach Vibes. See, I'm from there, Jantube, if you can't tell. Like, I don't know, just like. Where are you from? I'm from, you know, it changes by the day. I'm getting ahead of March Madness.
March Madness? What happened to March Madness this year?
Emma got a bottle thrown at her head. got a metallic polyester blend here. And a plain knit stitch, baby.
You need to hold it steady. You just need to hold it steady. I don't really want that. I really don't want this clip. Just hold it steady and let me.
Brownie was out.
Thanks.
Allie, you have to strut.
I am one with the earth.
I'm one with my pledge class.
Obviously, our shopping made us work up a large appetite. So where are we?
Can I be on?
All right, well, we're going to Lola's. So the fact that I've been going here for like 8 months now. I've never been to Lola's. I'm losing my Lola's virginity right now.
Stop.
Right now.
You've never been.
Right now.